Amazon bathroom must-haves. 1. These toilet tabs. They stick onto each toilet seat so you can lift them easily without jamming your fingers between the yucky seats or loudly slamming it. 2. This acrylic toilet stool. If you know, you know. If not, look up why these are great. But this one is a more aesthetically pleasing version and goes with any bathroom. 3. If you can install hooks into your wall or tile, these hooks look like bathroom hardware, but they aren't. Just stick on the inside suction, then screw on the rest, and you have hooks anywhere you like and no damage. 4. Clean up your shower bottles. Instead of different color and shape bottles, try these refillable labeled bottles for your toiletries. It gives a hotel vibe to your shower. 5. This gold squeegee and holder that sticks to your wall. A great way to keep your shower doors and tiles clean from water stains. Bathroom cleaning hacks. First, I'm throwing on some disposable gloves and removing everything off of my bathroom counter, spraying it down with a cleaning vinegar and wiping with a microfiber towel to remove dust and toothpaste residue. For deeper cleaning in my sink, I'm breaking out the pink stuff and my Scrub Mommy. To lift any buildup, rinsing, then going in with my deep cleaning brushes in the drain and crevices. Next, I'm adding cleaner to my mop bucket, pumping it to remove excess moisture and scrubbing down the floors. Lastly, I'm restocking my toilet paper. FYI, all of my cleaning finds are from the Home Depot. They carry thousands of trending products for any home cleaning or DIY projects with fast and free shipping on all cleaning items.